Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California. With over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice radial drill that just came in. This is a 4-foot Doall Radial drill. The machine has about 12 inches here per stroke. Go ahead and bring that down. Nice stroke. Got a very heavy drill chuck right there. The machine is equipped with hydraulic clamping for all areas. As you see right here, lock and unlock. We'll unlock it, and you can see everything will swing. Go back and forth. It also brings the whole head up and down, powered hydraulically right here. Go ahead and just push the button and everything's nice and clamped. No problem, it's not moving anymore. I'll let you hear the head here. We'll change a few different speeds, let you hear the different head speeds. You can see it spinning. Forward, reverse. Change the speed here. Right now it's at 180 RPM. Bring it down to 44 RPM. Forward reverse. And we'll go ahead and bring it up to a little higher speed here. 854. Also has the powered down feed. Go ahead and engage that. You're just going to go ahead and pull this into the spec. You have your different feed speeds here. Choose the speed, pull it down. It'll go ahead and automatically feed into your material, so you don't have to sit there and crank it. Some material will be almost impossible. I'll go ahead and show you just a few measurements here. The arm of the ways are at about 54 inches, just a little over 4 foot there. And stroke there, right at 12 inches. It's got a nice T-slotted table. The machine's made by Doall. If you're interested in this machine or any other, we carry new and used radial drills, floor drills, and tabletop drills. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Or you can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.